What I help people with is not simply extending life. It's about prolonging vitality. Not just more years of life, but active, healthy, happy ones. Who wants to live decades after their lives have become defined by pain, disease, frailty, and immobility? A surprisingly high number of people accept that is how life is meant to be, and therefore make little attempt to alter it and leave their health in the hands of others rather than taking control, being proactive, and taking responsibility for improving both their health and their enjoyment of life. Vitality is a combination of the quality and quantity of your sleep, the quality of what you eat, how well your respiratory system functions, how often you get regular movement and exercise, and the mindset and attitude you adopt towards your life. This ties in with the wheel of life, as shown in the image here. There are many variations on this. This particular image has 11 areas. 1. Creativity. 2. Self-esteem. 3. Friendship. 4. Family. 5. Health and well-being. 6. Personal growth. 7. Home and environment. 8. Career, daily work life. 9 is financial. 10. Achievement. And 11. Personal time. If you score yourself in each of the wheel spokes, with a 10 signifying you're doing exceptionally in that area, and a 1 to show you're really struggling and need help. If you have any very low scores that are below 3 or 4, it likely signals areas of life that require a lot of work. The ideal scenario is where you have, say, a 7 or 8 in most or all of your areas. It shows you can still improve in many areas of life, but you have a good balance. If you have a low score in one area, there's a high chance it will negatively affect other areas. You won't have a round wheel, so life won't be a comfortable journey. The more equilibrium between your scores there is, the rounder the wheel is, and the more comfortable your life journey.